Hi guys, this is Leanne. I have been given the task to share with you about Screencastomatic. This is different than Screencastify. Screencastify, I think the free version only allows you maybe a 5-minute video. I've done up to 15 minutes with Screencastomatic, their free version. Now they do have a version you can purchase that allows some editing, but I just use the free version. Now, the only version I have used is on my iPad because that's what I had last spring to use during NTI. There is a version for our new laptops that is more like Loom that Chastity's going to tell you guys about. To be honest, I've not worked with it because we just got our laptops the other day. So what I'm going to share with you is what you can do with on your iPads. I'm also going to share with you that this whole video I'm using another app called Notability. Now it is just for iPads and iPhones, but you seeing me writing and the things I'm doing is with the Notability app, and it's like $9 for the rest of your life. And I really have used it a lot in the classroom. So first thing you want to do is go to the App Store, and you can search Screencastomatic, and this is the app that I'm telling you about. Then, once you have it downloaded, this is the icon that it will look like on your screen. And this is the Notability icon. Then, when you tap that and you go into Screencastomatic, this is the screen you will see. When you get ready to make a recording, you will hit record, and then it will take you to this screen. And it's always checked on Screencastomatic, and you want to leave it that way. And very, very important is this right here, is you want to make sure that says microphone on. I made a 12-minute video last spring and it said microphone off. So I had to redo the whole thing. Very frustrating. So lesson learned, I make sure that says microphone on. If it by chance says microphone off, all you have to do is tap it and it will change to microphone on. Then you will tap this right here where it says start broadcast, and it will do a countdown right here, and it'll go 3, 2, 1. And once you are broadcasting, you will see a little red dot up there, and as you can see it right there on my screen now. Once you're recording, everything that's on your screen and your voice is being recorded. I've been using Screencastomatic this whole time. From that point, whatever you need to do, you can do. You can show videos. You can, I'll tell you how I used it a whole lot is I would go to my drive. Not up at the top like I like it. What's my new very long password? Don't you just love them? So I could go to my folders. I'll just grab this. And then over here, I can touch these three. I get those 3 dots right there, and I hit share and export. Can't talk this morning. Send a copy. PDF. Okay. And I want to send it to my Notability app. I'm going to add it to our existing note that we've been using today. It will import it. I can go back to my Notability app. Go to, in there it is. And then from this Notability app, I can underline things, point things out to kids, work problems out. And continue to do things like that. With the this is a Notability app extra. You can write notes. Now, like I said, Screencastomatic is with an iPad and an iPhone, which is the only way I have used it, does not have some of the features that it has with our new laptops. We haven't had the laptops long enough for me to know, how to use those. So I'm really not in a position to share that. But when you're done with your video, you're going to go back up here. See that red little recording dot? You just click it. And it's going to ask you if you want to stop. And you're going to say